Alright, what's up guys, 4Leader back with another video, and for anybody that's been subscribed to this channel for any length of time will remember a $750 gaming build that I did earlier this year. When I built that computer, I used the NZXT S340 case for obvious reasons. Well, NZXT updated the S340 with the S340 Elite. So they introduced a lot of changes with the Elite version of this case, most notably this large tempered glass side panel. So let's go ahead and swap cases. So I tore all the components out of the original S340 case, lined them up here on the table, and prepped the Elite version for the build. I'll go ahead and time-lapse all of that. So enjoy. So that's it. Build complete. I ended up having some issues with the Cooler Master Hyper TX3 that I originally used when I built this PC, and I had to throw on the stock Intel cooler while I wait for an RMA replacement from Cooler Master. That being said, I think that the finished build looks absolutely outstanding. They made some additions to this S340 case, the Elite version, First off, they added this panel that covers the gap that used to exist next to the PCIe brackets. You can see this here on the back of the case right here. Now, the original S340 case included 2 SSD mounts on the power supply shroud. They actually added a third mount in the front here on the Elite version, and it also comes with this magnetic 2-piece hanger for the front of the case, which is intended for VR headsets, but also will work perfectly for a nice pair of over-ear headphones or a gaming headset. Now, the last standout addition to this case is these plastic clips on the back that make cable management an absolute breeze. They are included here and also on the back of the cable management bar that you can see from the front of the case. And just look at how tidy this thing is from behind. It's amazing. And of course, the star of the show here with this Elite version is going to be the large tempered glass side panel. This addition takes this case to an absolute next level. The tempered glass is stronger and clearer than the acrylic they used on the original S340, and the build looks absolutely stunning behind it. And it actually seems like it gives a new level of depth to the LEDs. Definitely a fan. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this look at the NZXT S340 Elite and Rebuild. If you liked the video, please drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, check out my Patreon, follow me on Twitter, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Sworn Leader signing out.